Nagsha-Shopee na rin si Kano. Oh, order niya. Oh my God, it's steel. Masyado siyang bakal. Ang hirap nito paglutuan. Order niya siya sa Shopee. Oh, it's small. I thought it's a big circle. Oh my God. Ang bigat naman. Why so heavy? Where's the box? 4 pieces cast iron. Ayan. Say thank you, Shopee. Thanks for the seller. It's fine. No damage. Thank you, Shopee. Satisfied sigurong gamitin. Very good. Good quality. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Yan ang libangan na yung Kano. Libangan ko rin ang mag-Shopee araw-araw.